Hey everyone, currently in Singapore. I'm only here for a couple of days, so I thought I'd put together a little food tasting video. So I'm just heading across the road to check out this little food market, and it's almost lunchtime, so I'm pretty hungry. Yeah, there's lots of expensive restaurants here in Singapore, but I thought I'd go somewhere a little bit more local. Here's this little food market centre place which you see scattered around the city. This is where the local people come to eat. So let's have a look, see what they have. It's lunchtime, so it's pretty busy in here. There's lots of little stores selling all kinds of little things I'm unsure of. Let's try some laksa. That's what I want. That's what I came here for. I decided to get a laksa from this place called Al Mama Green Chili Chicken Rice and Prawn Noodle. Laksa is the famous dish from this area. So let's see how it tastes from a local spot. Thank you. So I just found a table and we're about to get stuck into this feast. Let's see how it goes. I think it was a bad idea to wear my white t-shirt, to be honest, but let's try our best. So fresh. You can really taste the spices, the chili spices mixed with that creamy coconut milk. Just checking to see what else is in this bowl. They throw an egg in. My chopstick skills aren't the best, as you can see. The noodles are a little bit thick. The laksas I usually eat back in Australia have really thin noodles, so this is a slightly different version. They throw in these little seafood balls and they cut them up with a nice crispy coating. Look at all that chili they just throw in. I'm going to mix all that in. That chili is spicy. It's really hot. Can't go wrong with a bit of 7-Eleven drinking water. This is just one of my favourite dishes in the world. It's just got a bit of everything. You've got the spices, you've got the seafood, the creamy coconut flavour. I'm not sure what these little things are. Yeah, I'm not sure what these little things are. Weird little, tastes like seafood, a bit like a mussel or an oyster. Let's give this prawn a go. Look how big that thing is. I'm a savage when it comes to eating prawns. I just eat the shell and the legs. Gives a bit more crunch. You want to sit?
Just so take your time. Sorry.
That costs $6 Singaporean, which I think is pretty good value for laksa. But you can get it that cheap anywhere in the world. $6 Singaporean. Really tasty. I'll just show you what else is around. I think I might get a drink now. All sorts of different local cuisine. Peanut soup. We got some beer in this fridge. Nothing much down there. A little look over here. More drink places. That place sells all different types of soup, red bean, green bean soup, different juices. This is another Chinese style place. Duck with noodles, meat with noodles, etc. Pretty busy that place, excuse me. Pig organ soup, which is a bit different. This looks like desserts or something. Cakes. Fishball soups. More drinks. I saw a really good drink shop on the other side. I'll take you there at the end. Let's have a little walk up here. As you can see, not many free tables. It's peak hour. And they've got interesting looking carrot cake. What else? Oyster omelets. They look pretty good. Prawn noodles. It's all very reasonable. $5, $6. You pay 4 times that in a restaurant around the corner. It's all really good value. And very fresh. It's all made straight away. Avocado, banana milk, passion fruit, more soups, and coffee shop, bamboo juice. I'll go around the corner. This looks like the popular drink place up here. Which one should I get? Lime drink, soursop drink, orange aloe vera, bandung, lychee drink, pineapple drink. Tempting. Watermelon, soybean. Carrot and orange. I love carrot juice. It's one of my favorites. Hi, can I get a mango smoothie, please? And also, so I'm just out the front now, and I had to come out here because all the tables filled up, so I had nowhere to go. So I thought I'd just come out the front, make a little video, and show you the drinks I got from that place. So I ended up making a last-minute change and going for the mango smoothie. And I got this mysterious sour sop, which I've never tried before. It's like some kind of different, unusual fruit. So let's try the mango first, see how this is. Just like a real mild mango flavour. Really refreshing. And I'll give this sour sop drink a taste. It's a lot more viscous than the mango smoothie. This one is very almost water-like, so let's give this a try. There's a few, I don't know, strange things floating in there. Let's see what this tastes like. Wow, it's really strange. It tastes, I don't know what it tastes like at first. I thought it tasted like honey initially. It's got like a weird kind of honey aftertaste, but it also tastes a bit like eucalyptus. So it's a bit like a honey eucalyptus blend. Oh, I just tasted one of those hard things. It's like really fibrous, whatever this thing I just ate was. almost like a raisin, but I don't know what it is. Yeah, strange fruit. I must look into this, but it's good to try it anyway. I'm a big juice slash smoothie enthusiast. The final cost of these two drinks was $5.50 Singaporean dollars, which I think is pretty phenomenal value in Singapore, which is a ridiculously expensive city when you go and eat out. So if you're in this area, I recommend going to the Maxwell Food Market. It's not far from Chinatown. They've got really fresh and really tasty food. I'm gonna finish these off and then head back to my accommodation.